Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube. This is Stick, and this video today we're going to talk about the Alcatel Linkzone. Looks like metroPCS, they're trying to push new device. This is the Hotspot device based on the GSM network. metroPCS, I believe in this device, they want to just check the water, see how that device goes, how people they're going to accept it. Maybe later on they're going to have some updates for that device. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing. I want to show you the device, talk about the specs and how that thing works with the plans and maybe everything you need to know. So stay tuned, don't go away, and let's find out. Now finally I have my hands on in this device, and this is how the package is gonna look when you go to the store or when you purchase this device. This device made by Alcatel. Alcatel, they makes actually cell phones, they make also some networking supplies and stuff like that. Also they have devices like the Hotspot router or modem over here, and this is based on the GSM 4G LTE network, and this will running through metroPCS, and metroPCS is running through T-Mobile towers. Here what we're gonna have in the top, some of the information, because this is gonna be treated as cell phone, but that's not a cell phone. This is just to give other cell phones or tablet computers, anything that has Wi-Fi capability, and this device able to give up to 15 devices. Of course, when you get 15 devices at the same time working on this modem, the speed is not going to be that fast. But here's some of the content on the box, which is we are going to open that box and give you more information, of course. But that will be, they're gonna just tell you this is gonna be a 4G LTE enabled, and this is gonna come with the device itself, battery, and the SIM card. So you don't need to buy another SIM card or something. This can be coming with the in the box, and charger. It's gonna be mini USB 2 and a quick start guide. And I would highly recommend to read the quick start guide in this device, because there is an application you need to download. We will find out now when we open the box, also trying to give you information as much as I can. All right, so let's go ahead. For those people asking about the plans, also I'm going to cover this for you guys in this video. We'll just go ahead and have the first look. Just trying to take that tape. There we go. So when we open, we will see two boxes. Take this one first and take the other one. So with this one, we'll be able to see the device itself. There we go. So this is how the device is going to be plastic, and it's going to be very little. So this will be compared to my hand over here, which is not a big device. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your bag, anywhere. It's not going to take space. Now if you look over here, we're going to be able to see that this will show us the network, then it shows that's the Wi-Fi if someone is connected to you, and there is a text message. That means if you have that device and you get text message about something, tells you about your data, stuff like that, this will be a notification for you. But you will be able to know more about your how much left gigabytes from the I believe application, and this will indicate for the battery. And by the way, we have from the top the power key, and there is another button over here. This will be later on, we're going to tell you about this button. This is usually if you need to reset, or if you want to do some troubleshooting, you have to do certain things. Like for instance, if you want to reset it, you have to push the power and this key over here, which is, it shows WPS, and then I believe it will reset the modem, and this is type of the troubleshooting. Now if we go to the little tab over here and open, just want to show you this device. This is where the macro SIM card goes, and we have SD card as well, and I believe you can save some information. You can use it if you want to add a SD card, so which is very nice that this device has that option to give you, because this you can connect it through the USB, which is from here, from the cable that comes with it, or it's going to be included in the box. So let's go ahead and set this on the side and look to the other content come in the box. Now we will have the power brick, and then we'll have SIM card. Now make sure when you cut this one, go for the macro size, okay, the one in the middle, not the big and not the nano size, because it takes actually macro SD or SIM card. And then you have high quality cable over here that comes with it, and then it will be a battery. Let's go ahead and find out what the ampere. Okay, it will be 1800 milliamp power battery, so this device doesn't need a lot of juice actually. One of the things I was looking to see what the actual time or how long this gonna last you, but I was not able to find any information. So basically we just need to use it and see how long that battery will last. If you see in this video and you have one already, please leave in a comment below how long this battery will last using the this Wi-Fi. And then we will have the manual over here, and this is something I highly recommend to read. Basically they will tell you about how the setup, what these buttons are good for, the start guides, and it will tell us how to troubleshoot the device as well, and will tell us about how you insert the SIM card and how you put the battery in the right way, and will tells us about this notification over here, as well as if you just go over it, it tells you where you can actually download the application. This is the application, will tell us that you are connected to the 4G, and this will be the percentage of the battery plus how many devices are connected over here. So if you decide to buy, you just have to scan this code, then you will have the application should be ready, and I believe it should be available on Android and iOS as well. I believe this is very much it. That's everything comes in the box. This is where you can download the application for the Alcatel Link. You gotta find this in the box, and I guess we don't have anything else over here. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just go ahead, put the battery and have a look on the device and show you how to power up the device and how we reset it, and go through these notification very quick, and then we're gonna talk about the plans. Now I did actually put the battery and the SIM card, and always make sure to go to the start guide and go for the instructions about how you insert the SIM card in the right way, and then you have to hold the power key for 3 seconds and the device will start working. I just want to let you know this device is not connected to any service right now. Now once you are connected, you should be able to see the network is available, and then the Wi-Fi is ready to go, and then if you have some messages, you should the message icon should light up, and then this is actually for the battery. It will tells us about if it's good, it's not gonna be it's gonna be in blue, and if it's red means you need to recharge the battery. And as you guys can see over here, the device is ready to go. Now I just talked about earlier, now if you have any problems, you feel this is not working right, you can just hold the power and the buttons, these two buttons together, for around 13 seconds, and the device should restart itself, and this may help you to fix the device if you have a problem in the future. But as I say, right now I don't have any problem with it because I don't even have service right now on the device, but this is how the device is gonna look like when you have it ready and active. Now let's go ahead, set this on the side, and go to what metroPCS offering for plans. So the device, by the way, it's $49, so you just have to pay for the phone, or for the device, the Hotspot device is not a phone, it's $49, and then tax, and then you have to, when you add it to your account, it's $35, and then we'll put you with 10 gigabytes. So you get 10 gigabytes for the Hotspot, and then if you want to add more, you can buy 2 gigabyte for $5. So if you want a 6, 15. If you want a 4, $10. Now I don't have any certain information about if you want to start a new account with that device, but I believe it's going to be either $60 or $70. I'm not quite sure. I don't have any official information right now to tell you about, but all I know that's from metroPCS, it's $35 when you add this device and you get the 10 gigabytes. Now how good this, in my opinion, I mean, you can get the same thing if you have the $60 plan on metroPCS, especially when you have 2 lines for $90 right now, means you get 10 gigabytes hotspot for both, which is 20 gigabytes, but this one for $35 gets you 10 gigabytes. Maybe if you have need for this one, as I said, metroPCS, they're trying to check water with that thing to see how it goes. Maybe in the future, metroPCS, they will absolutely push better plans. They're gonna put more gigabytes, maybe 32 or more gigabytes for very reasonable price. And this wraps it up for that video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you have a question, leave it in a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Show me love, guys, and hit the bell to be notified to be the first one who watch my videos. Thank you so much again for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next one.